Good morning, students. Now we'll discuss how to make a dustpan. See, nowadays for Swachh Bharat, we used to clean our classroom, corridor, and different section of the Vidyalaya. So we use broom, dustpan, this one. So we can make it by using cartoons, okay, cardboard. We can make it, and here I am showing the model of dustpan, okay, and you can use cartoon for the stronger look, right? I've taken chart paper. For this you require chart paper, geometry kit, fevicol, scissor, and colors you can do. So this is the handle. You see, this is a handle. So this way, this is in market, this type of available. So how you can make it? See. So for this, you have to draw a rectangle first, rectangle 20 centimeter length, okay, and a 2, and this side 2 means 18. So 2 and 18, so 2, 16, again 2, so total is 20 centimeter. And a breadth equal to, I have taken 24 centimeter. Breadth is 24 centimeter I have taken. You can take as you like, no problem. So this one 20 centimeter. And this one, so I have done first rectangle. Okay, so now what we'll do, this side also at 2, now this one 18, then 20, so this is 2, 16 and 2. Okay, so this one you have to join like this, and this side also. Right now, here taking 2 centimeter side, so you have to 3 marks. So here 2, 2, 2 means 2, 4 and 6, and this side also. So this one 2, 2 and 2. So now we will join this one. So total was the 24 centimeter, and here you have done 2, 2, 2. So this one 2, 2, 2 centimeter I have taken. Okay, so this become, so 24 minus 6, so it become 18 centimeter. It will come. Okay. Right. Now what we'll do? Now you have to join the diagonal. Right, this one like this. Very simple. Okay, so we have drawn this part, body part of the dustpan. Now handle. So you have to see the handle. See, like looking like this. So 2 centimeter side. So what we'll do? Okay. First we'll draw a six centimeter. This one the body, this one the body, and this one the handle. So handle I am making now. So you should see this one 6 centimeter. And this one 10 centimeter. So here again the 6 centimeters, so I draw the rectangle. So this one 6 centimeter, and this one 6 centimeter, and this one 10. Now here mark at 2, 2, So this is 2 2, and this side also 2 2. Now join this one. So here 2, this one 2, right? So here also 2. So 6 centimeter divided into 3 parts. Okay. Now join this one diagonal, and this side again. Okay. Now draw a square of 2 centimeter side. Side, right? Now here you have to draw a semicircle and you will make a hole for hanging purpose. Now we will draw the border. Okay, now this is over. This is a handle and the body part is over. Now we'll cut the net diagram. Okay, net diagram is like this, you see. Here also. Now handle, I'll see. Now this is the handle. Okay. So first let me fold the handle. See, you have to fold like this. Okay. And here. Now this one will come this side. Now see, when you will paste this one, it will become a handle, right? So the handle. So let us paste this one. Okay, this is our, this is the handle. Okay, this is the handle. Now come to the body. Now for body part, what you'll do, you have to fold like this. And this side also. So this way you have to fold it, right? So that both side edge is one. Now what you'll do, you have to cut here. This much only, right? And here also. Okay, so after that, now what will happen, when you will fold this one, now it will go like this. Now it will go like this. So here one more cut required. So see, it has gone like this. Right. So this way. Yeah, this one here. Now this one here. Now I will lock this one. So by fixing, so you will get nicely. Okay, so here we can add, so this way. Unlock this, unlocking. Now this will lock like this. Here, this one. One I will fix here. You have to make the dustpan and use it for your classroom. So use it for your classroom and so make a hole here. So this way you can make it and use it for Swachh Bharat, Swachh Abhiyan. Okay, cleanliness drive in the Vidyalaya. Thank you.